What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to uninstall and delete Steam games on your PC. First, you'll need to open a Steam application. If you don't already have it running, you can simply search for Steam in your Start menu and press Enter. Once you have Steam open, head over to the Library tab, which you can find at the top of the Steam window. In the library, you will see a list of all the games you own on the left-hand side of the screen. Keep in mind that not all the games listed here may be currently installed on your computer. You can easily tell which games are installed because the play or update button would appear next to their names. If it says install, then that game is not currently installed in your system. To begin, right-click on a game title in your library that you wish to uninstall. This will bring up a menu with options. From this menu, hover over the Manage option and a submenu will appear. Here, select Uninstall. Before you proceed with the uninstallation, I recommend that you first check the game's local files. To do this, go to Manage again and select Browse Local Files. This will open up a File Explorer window showing all the game files stored on your computer. It's helpful to take this step because sometimes not all the game files are removed during the uninstallation process. The game files are usually stored in the Common folder within the Steam directory. Once you've verified this, you can close the File Explorer window and proceed with uninstalling the game. After clicking Uninstall, a confirmation pop-up will appear asking you if you're sure if you want to remove the game from your computer. Go ahead and click Uninstall again to confirm. The process will begin, and Steam will remove the main game files from your system. Sometimes the uninstallation doesn't completely remove all the leftover files. This is where the File Explorer window comes in handy. Go back to the location where the game's files are stored. If the folder for the game is still there after the uninstallation, simply delete it manually to ensure all remaining files are gone. To do this, right-click the game folder, select Delete and Confirm. This step will clear out any remaining files, leaving no trace of the game on your computer. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.